Amen.
We are reading from the book of First Samuel. Chapter 17. First Samuel chapter 17. We will start reading from verse 33. It reads, and Saul said to David, you are not able to go against this Philistine, for you are a youth, and he is a man of war from his youth. But David said to Saul, your servant used to keep his father's sheep, and when a lion or a bear came and took a lamb out of the flock, I went after it and struck it, and delivered the lamb from its mouth. And when it rose against him, I caught it by its beard and struck it and killed it. Your servant has killed both lion and bear. And this uncircumcised Philistine will be like one of them, seeing he has defied the armies of the living God. In verse 37, moreover David said, the Lord who delivered me from the paw of the lion and from the paw of the bear, he will deliver me from the hand of this. May the Lord bless the reading of his word. Amen. Let us pray. Nkulunkulu manje longahlulwa lutho. Namhla Nkosi nzamba ngoNkulunkulu sesifundzile livi lakho. Sitalibuketa Nkosi livi lakho ngafisha ate sicela kukhulume wena ukhulumisane nathi. Kulesikhathi Nkulunkulu esindlula kiso sicela kuva ukuthi livi lakho Nkosi lithini kithi. Khuluma Nkulunkulu namhla ngendlela ekhethekile. Ukhulume ngendlela lesimanga ukuze Nkosi sitokuthatheka sitogcina. Ude lo mnyelo ongasicinisa Nkosi ngaphandle kwakho. Ukhulumile umntwana wakho Nkosi ekuseni washo wathi wena Nkulunkulu uyavela nasidzinga awukho khashane nathi. Namhla ke somandla siyacela Nkulunkulu ukuthi emandla lo wasebenzisa indulo okunganalutho wakhuluma indoda endefu. Sisinamandla ukukhuluma Jehova. Khuluma Nkosi silive livi levela ekhaya ezulwini. NgaKristu siyathandaza. Amen. God is still good, bazalwane. And he is good all the time. Even when some shops are closed, God is still good. Even when this corona thing is playing with us, God is still good. And I'll tell you the reason why I say God is good all the time. What makes God good all the time is because God has got all the details. You should have said amen, but you did not. What makes God good is because God has got all the details. He's got, that's what makes him good. So I want us to look at the story. The story that most of us know. The story of David and Goliath. His father sent him to take some food for his brothers. When David gets there, there's this giant, his name is Goliath. Everyone is afraid of him. The soldiers of Israel are afraid of this giant. When David shows up, listen to what David says. He says, why are you hiding? They say to him, man, can't you see this man? Can't you see how big he is? David could not understand why they were hiding. And then David asked them a question. He says, you tell me now, what shall be given to the man who defeats this man. Listen to what Goliath was saying to the Israelites. Goliath says to the children of Israel, you bring your best man to face me. If he kills me, the Philistines will be your slaves. But if I destroy him, you will be our slaves. Everyone in Israel was afraid. So the king of Israel was also afraid. They were afraid of Goliath. But when David showed up, listen to the question he asked. He says, what shall be given to the man who defeats the sin? Let's say the powerful amen. Listen to David's question. He says, what shall be given to the man who kills this man? See, David understood something I wish Christians would understand. David understood that we are not fighting for victory, but we are fighting from victory. That's why Jesus says to his disciples in the book of John, in the world you will face problems, but take heart, I have overcome the world. But we're not fighting for victory, but we're fighting from victory. Jesus overcame. So then they take David to King Saul. And the king says to David, David, you're still a small boy. This man has been in the army ever since he was a small boy. This man has been fighting for years. And David says, my king, I remember one day a lion showed up, grabbed one of my father's sheep. He says, I went after the sheep. I killed the lion. He says, the other day it was a bird. He says, I did the same thing to the bird. Grabbed the sheep. He says, I walked away. But the foolish bird followed me. David says, I turned around and I killed the bird. You see, if you read it in the original language, the original language will tell you that David killed lions. It was not just one lion. It was lions and bears. Then in verse 37, David says, the Lord that delivered me from the lions and the bears will deliver me again. But you still did not give me that amen. Let me try it one more time. When David showed up, they told him about Goliath. And David told them about God. When he went to King Saul, Saul told him that Goliath is a giant. And David says to Saul, my God is bigger. See, when you switch on television now, it's coronavirus this and that. They tell you that coronavirus has killed so many people in Italy. Coronavirus is doing this and that. On social media it's coronavirus this and that. But I want to let you know, God is bigger than coronavirus. Coronavirus might be killing people left, right, and center, but my God is bigger. We're not fighting for victory, but we're fighting from victory. Because God of Jesus overcame. He is bigger than this coronavirus. Don't worry about it. He's got the whole world in his hands. Jesus, God is still in control. That's why he says in his word, be still and know that I am God. And he is saying that even today, when people are dying, God is still saying, be still and know that I am God. He said, I am still in control. God has not lost control. He's still in control. When they tell you about coronavirus, tell them about how big your God is. God is the greatest. God is greater than this thing. That's why when David faced Goliath, when Goliath saw this young man coming, he says, what is this thing? I'll finish this thing in no time. And when it was David's turn to speak, he says to Goliath, you come to me with your javelin, you come to me with your sword, but I come to you in the name of the Lord. That is why when Saul tried to put his armor on David, David said to King Saul, this thing is too heavy for me. I'm not used to this thing. God is bigger, God is greater than this thing. God will see us through. If God could deliver us, a few years ago, I think it's last they were telling us about Ebola. God delivered us. God has delivered us. And He will deliver us again. God will never fail. He will deliver us again. Keep on trusting Him. God will deliver us again. David says to King Saul, He delivered me yesterday. He will deliver me again. Who is this uncircumcised? God is bigger. God is greater. God bless us. Uthi noma Nkosi lesifo secorona Nkosi siqedza abantu ngalana nangalana. Wena Nkulunkulu usenemandla ekusinzisa noma ngabe ngisiphi isono lesibone kakhulu. Uliqiniso Nkulunkulu ukuthi sibonile saphuma endleleni. Uliqiniso Nkosi ukuthi akasikendi kahle kepha namuhla siyanxusa siyathandaza kuwe. Kuthi wena Nkulunkulu bongasixolela. Bese uyasisinzisa kude lo munye lesingakhala kuye ngaphandle kwakho. Kude lo munye lesingabalekela kuye ngalesikhathi samanje ngaphandle kwakho. Ngoba wena wedwana usiphephelo sethu. Sisinzise Nkosi usethwale. Labanye bethu kuyendeka Nkosi silithwele Nkosi egciwane kepha kasadi. Siyacela Nkulunkulu uyende indlela yokusiphilisa. Siyacela usiqukile isandla sakho Nkosi sikuphilisa. Labanye abantwana bakho Nkosi sebalitholile bayagula. Bayatibuta Nkosi banekwesaba. Siyanxusa Nkosi yemazulu. Vela wena Nkosi lowakwenda indvulo Nkosi kuphindza ukwende namuhlondele abantwana bakho. Basinzise abantwana bakho kuze kusasa Nkulunkulu sitawuthi sikhuluma ngento Nkosi wona lo wasendela yona. Siyakuthandaza ke Jehova ukuthi uyasho namanje ukuthi emehlo ethu Nkosi sekabuke kuwe. Sisinzise Jehova. Qhubeka Nkulunkulu usiqinise, qhubeka usiphe amandla. Ngakuthesa ngiyathandaza. Amen.